Are you looking to begin selling digital products and you don't know exactly what it is that you can begin selling? Well, you are in luck because in today's video, I'm going to give you guys 31 ideas on what kind of digital products that you can begin selling. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara Sade. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not new here, thank you for being a part of the community. So in today's video, this video is going to be very simple, short, and straight to the point. I want to give you guys 31 ideas on what kind of digital products that you can begin selling. I know a lot of times people, they wonder what it is can I sell? What is digital products? How can I go ahead and get started? I just wanted to give you guys at least 31 ideas on today. This is just 31, but there are so many different things that you can decide to sell digitally. But I hope this gives you an inspiration and it gives you something to start with so that you can begin selling your digital products. So I am going to be looking down at my phone because it is 31 ideas and I had to make sure that I had these written out. The first idea is going to be ebooks. Number 2 is going to be online courses. The third one is template designs. This is going to be website templates, social media templates, and etc. The fourth one is going to be stock photos. Number 5 is digital prints and posters. The sixth one is going to be printables, which is going to be like calendars, planners, to-do lists, etc. You have webinars, podcasts, music tracks and sound effects, online coaching services, recipe books and cookbooks, how-to guides and tutorials, video tutorials and courses, online membership sites, digital artwork, mobile app designs and templates, digital stickers, 3D models and animations, graphics and illustrations, icon sets, online workshops and seminars, photography presets, Lightroom and Photoshop actions, mock-up templates, resume templates, business card templates, video templates. This is going to be like the intro and outro. Like for instance, we're on YouTube, so you can do an intro and outro for people. Social media content calendars, Instagram story templates, social media graphics and templates, infographic templates, PowerPoint templates, Excel templates, Google Sheet templates, logo designs, Shopify themes, branding packages. Now, I know I said I'm only going to give you guys 31, but I know that has been over 31. You have self-help books, online tutoring services, and I'm going to go ahead and stop right there because I wanted this video to be just a little simple video, just giving you ideas, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you would like more ideas. I do have a digital product book that has at least 100+ ideas. If you want that and you need that so that you can have more inspiration on how you can go ahead and get a list of digital products to begin selling, you can get that right now, and it's only going to be for $5. Yes, $5. I will have that down in the description. It is a list of 100 digital product ideas for you so that you do not have to waste time and you don't have to think you just have to stick to ebooks. It is more things to do and sell than just ebooks. So go ahead and grab yours today. I am Tiara Sade, and I will see you guys back here on my next video. Bye.